Hey boo! Today I am sharing one of my favorite recipes for Brussels sprouts. Now I make them many ways, but this just happens to be my favorite recipe. So I hope you enjoy this as much as I do. All right, let's get started. I am slicing my Brussels sprouts in half, and then I'm slicing them in half again, so I end up with 4 pieces in that one. Now you want to add all of your seasonings. I just use garlic, onion, salt and pepper, and a little bit of my herbs de Provence. What are Brussels sprouts without bacon? You have to have that bacon. I really love the flavor that bacon gives Brussels sprouts. Like I said before, I have tried so many different ways to make Brussels sprouts, but this right here is my complete favorite. Now, I like the lemon juice because it offsets the bitterness in the Brussels sprouts. If you've had Brussels sprouts before, you know it's like a sulfur veggie, kind of like broccoli, so it has a very strong taste, and that's how I break down that bitterness. In the oven they go. Now that I've pulled these out of the oven, I'm going to add my melted butter and garlic. Oh my goodness, you guys, these are so delicious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe tutorial. And until next time, guys, bye.